In this video, I will show the fixes for the silent button not working on iPhone 16. This is my iPhone 16 Pro. You can do the same on any iPhone model. First, enable the action button for silent mode. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to the action button, swipe to the left, and set silent mode like this. Go back and check that the settings are saved. Hold for silent mode on the action button given on the left edge of your iPhone 16. As you can see, I can turn on silent mode using the silent button correctly. If you found the solution, share your feedback and questions in the comment box. If you wish to put iPhone 16 into silent mode in a different way, then open the Control Center and tap on the bell icon to enable silent mode. If there is no shortcut for silent mode, then touch and hold on the blank space or tap on plus button at the top right corner. Tap on Add a Control at the bottom of your iPhone screen and add silent mode with the search control like this. Drag to rearrange and make it bigger from the corner edge of the control. Still something stuck and didn't work, then try after hard reboot your iPhone. Press and quickly release the volume up button, and swiftly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side power button until you see the Apple logo after the black screen. Wait for your iPhone to turn on again, enter your iPhone lock screen passcode, and check whether the issue is fixed. Still not, then reset all settings. This solution helps you set all of your iPhone settings to the default. Will not erase any data like contact, photos. Launch the Settings app. Scroll to General option. Again, scroll to the last and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and reset all settings. Enter your iPhone lock screen passcode and screen time passcode if enabled on your iPhone. Wait for your iPhone reboot once and check the issue is fixed or not. Don't miss out on the fun. Like, share, and subscribe for more awesome free tech guide video updates.